Imagine relaxing on your private terrace, overlooking a lush garden in a secure, gated community. This is not just a dream, it is a reality within reach. Own your own 3-bedroom plus SQ all-ensuite Maisonette in just 10 months with an expert guidance of Veewave Enterprises. We are thrilled to be the marketing partners of this exclusive project, ensuring you have all the information and the support that you need. 6 out of 20 units are already sold out, so don't miss this opportunity. And here it's how it works. Step 1, secure your unit. Make 20% deposit of the total cost, which is 14.5 million Kenya shillings in cash. This secures your unit and initiates construction. From this point, you receive a detailed timeline outlining key construction milestones. Step 2, convenient payment plan. At this point, you are able to pay the remaining balance over 10 months aligned with the construction progress. That is foundation, structure completion, roofing, interior finishing, and final touches. Faster payments accelerate construction, allowing you to move in sooner or start earning on your investments. Step 3, stay informed and relaxed. Receive regular updates, photos, and reports from the developer. Let Veewave Enterprises supervise the project on your behalf if you are busy or abroad. And finally, step 4, maximize your investment. If you are investing, we can help you find the tenant and manage the property. We will ensure your investment generates income from day one. Why choose this project? Number 1, modern design. Luxurious all-ensuite rooms, SQ, terrace, and private garden. Number 2, secure community. Serene gated environment with 20 exclusive units. Number 3, transparent process. Regular updates and clear communication. And finally, number 4, expert support. Veewave Enterprises guides you every step of the way. Don't wait. With limited units remaining, act now to secure your dream home. Contact Veewave Enterprises today for more details and let us guide you on this exciting journey to home ownership.